So comparing is quite a big part of my business, and I get quite a lot of people saying, so Steve, how do I go about becoming a compere? Now, there's actually no obvious immediate routine. There is no compere school. You don't even tend to see compere jobs advertised that often. But actually there are quite a number of gigs out there. And a lot of it really is about putting yourself forward. I would say if you are speaking at a conference, or even if you're attending a conference, talk to the organiser and just say, who's comparing next year? Or would you be interested in having a compere? Because a lot of events at the moment don't have a compere but would benefit from one. So just asking the people who are organising events can be a good way to get gigs like that. I'd also say organise your own. I used to run a comedy night every now and again, and that was a great opportunity for me to practice being compere. And then it led on to I was being asked to do events just for small ones like our local Chamber of Commerce, for example. And then they asked me to do a bigger event, and it sort of snowballed from there. And once you get a reputation for it, actually you will start being asked. Other people will see you comparing at events and they'll come and say, oh, could you come and do my event too? And that's worked a lot for me. I think the other thing to think about is actually promoting yourself as a compere. So make sure it's on your website. Make sure that you talk about being a compere on social media. Maybe even have a comparing show reel. You'll find mine on my YouTube channel. And it's just a way of showing the things I can do as a compere, the different types of events I've worked at. So if you want to be a compere, the gigs are out there. You need to be proactive in going out and finding them. Let people know that you are a compere, that you're interested in trying it, and get some practice. Get some stage time. Start small, build up from there, but good luck.